Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog it's something different and we're here with a new recipe called Panipuri or Golgappa. So let's start. Here I've got these ready-made Golgappas. They're ready-made, so you don't need to knead the dough and do stuff like that. Well, I was just testing one. As y'all can see, it turned out to be a perfect ball. So I'm just going to do is drop this one by one in, and also you're gonna see the result. It is so good. As you all can see that. Oh wait, I need to flip that over. Oh, I'm just gonna wait for this. See? Oh my god. It's actually rising. Isn't that cool? Okay guys, I'm actually holding the camera in one hand, so it's so hard. Forgot to bring my tripod with me. So it's actually 10 o'clock at the night, so we thought that we might have a small snack. Well, this is not small, I know, but
see here we have fried the golgappas and put the hole in the middle to put the filling in. And now we're going to make the chulas and pani. Here I've taken a jug and I'll be adding half jug of lukewarm water. Yeah, that's half jug of lukewarm water. And then I will be adding some of the Panipuri masala mix for the pani. In this water, only 1 tablespoon. Tablespoonful. Then I'm going to give it a good mix. If you want, you can add fresh mint, and that's it. Basically, I don't need to add anything else. Simple, ready-made pani for the panipuri. So as you can see, it's ready. Pani is ready. Chulas are ready. No, chulas.
they're getting ready.
Puris are ready. But chana, we're going on to next, the chana. So we're going to cover the lid. And here you go, chana. So guys, here I have the cholas, the boiled one, the ready-made ones. And I got the canned ones basically. The chickpeas in water. And I added chopped red onion in it, 1 chopped red onion, and some chopped coriander freshly, and 1 green chilli chopped. We're going to add, and this is chopped potato. We basically, they're french fries, but we just picked them up and then chopped them, and we added them. Now we're going to mix it. We're adding the coriander and the green chilies. Now we're going to add the chaat masala, 1 teaspoon, and then we're going to add some salt and chili powder. So and now we're going to add the salt. We're going to give the descriptions in the description box. Don't forget to see down below. And then we're going to mix well. We just added some chaat masala more.
Here, how about I mix it?
So we mixed it now. We don't add anything else. This is the filling.
Yogurt add karna.
No, you don't do that. In pani puris because you add water in it. So we mixed it.
Hang on.
So here we've mixed it, and here you go. Voila. The chana mix and the filling is ready for the panipuri, and now is the assembly point, the final main theme of it. And mix it up and eat. Yum. So here we're going to assemble it.
Okay, again some more chilla puri inside. अब हम डालेंगे इसके अंदर
हमें
छोला
वो तो
पूरी।
दिखा था।
देखिए इस तरीके से आप फिल कर लीजिए।
हमें अब दिखा रहे नहीं
दिखा रहे हैं ना।
तो पानी डालता।
और इसके अंदर पूरा फिल कर लीजिए गप्पे को और अब फौरी से खा लीजिए।